Today we're talking about high bay lights. Now these particular lights I bought from Sunco off of Amazon. Now these are 150 watts and nearly 20,000 lumens. Now they claim to be waterproof and shatterproof, and they come with your typical 3-prong plug, so you can just plug it right into an outlet. So they claim just under 20,000 lumens, but what does that mean in the real world? That's just a number, and who's actually testing that? The company? So let's go over what 20,000 lumens will get you in an actual shop environment. After some tinkering in my shop, I found the best spacing for these lights to be between 8 and 10 feet. That gives you really good lighting for a blind person like me. Now these are LED, but if you look at the back of the light, there is this heat sink. All these little whoopties you see around the back. And after operating these lights for several hours, this does get pretty warm. Now these that I bought were $300 for 10 lights. So 30 bucks a light. That is not cheap. So when you receive your light, you'll have a little baggie on it. It has this eyelet. You'll have to screw this into the back of the light. I don't know why these didn't come pre-assembled, but you screw this in all the way, and then you have a little lock screw to keep it from unscrewing. I believe that's there for in case the wind picks up. You don't want your light spinning around, unscrewing, and then falling right to the floor. So you can see how bright they are on a 16-foot ceiling. But what would a high bay light look like in an 8-foot ceiling? Well, that is pretty bright. Yeah! This would make a pretty awesome work light. Now the cord on this is only 6 foot long. So your little eyelet here needs something to actually hold it to your ceiling. Annoyingly, they did not send you any hooks to actually install it or chain, so you'll have to come up with that on your own. Now I'll show you what I bought for my 16-foot ceilings. I bought these really big hooks from Harbor Freight. Now these hooks are a little overkill for just hanging this itty-bitty light, but they were cheap enough, and they make installation quite easy, and probably future replacement very easy as well. And I just use zip ties to secure the extra length of wire. Okay, it is pretty dark outside, and we are in a 1,500 square foot lean-to, and I've installed 2 of these lights. Let's see how they do. Walk over here to the switch. Ooh. That is pretty good for only 2 lights. We do cast a little bit of a scary shadows here, but I'm pretty happy with that. Well, I hope this helped you make an informed purchase about these UFO high bay lights. I don't know about you, but sometimes I always wonder about these products, like if they're just a scam. But anyways, these are legit. I'll post a link to the ones that I bought in the description. I have no association with that company, so price around for any deals. We'll catch you guys in the next video.
Keep thinking.